So, you're considering buying a new home? I bet there's a lot on your must-have list. Let's see if we can't check them all off at North Springs. Must-have number 1, low-maintenance, flexible lifestyle. At North Springs, all of your lawn care is included, and professional landscapers will take care of things for you. Can you imagine what life will be like never having to mow the lawn on a hot summer day? Must-have number 2, open floor plans with modern finishes. Can you imagine hosting the holidays in this open kitchen? You'll also get to choose from selections like white or dark wood cabinets, luxury plank vinyl flooring, and quartz countertops. You'll put your signature in your new home that's sure to impress your guests. Must-have number 3, affordable one-level living. With many options for ranch plans that include 3 bedrooms and flex rooms where your imagination can run wild, you're sure to find what you're looking for at North Springs. Must-have number 4, convenient location. You will love the location of North Springs. Just 2 minutes from all of the hustle and bustle on Highway 9, but also across the street from a convenient grocery store and local schools. Living life in this location is ideal for Boiling Springs. So, did we check everything off your must-have list? Take the next step and come see us. I'm Christina, and I can't wait to welcome you home to North Springs.